To add fingerprint into the Nothing Phone 4a Pro, open System Settings for the first. Now go below into Security and Privacy. Select Device Unlock, and now you have to go for Fingerprint. Input your screen lock. Over here, just click OK, click to Setup, and now we have to hold your finger during this process. So lift your finger until you feel vibration, after you feel vibration, and we have to fulfill this animation with a red color. You have to remember to scan like every part of your finger, so left, right, middle, bottom, and top. And we have to just do this like so, and multiple times. And now, as you can see, the fingerprint is successfully added. So we have to click done, and this is it.